One of the most important things that you're going to have to start doing now is playing video games and trying out as many XR experiences as you can get your hands on. Yes, you have permission to start gaming for your career advancement. Game development has a heavy influence on VR development in particular, so understanding things like game mechanics, how people interact with characters and objects, how the NPC or non-player character models behave in certain situations, and what interactions are easy or hard to figure out, and much more, will give you greater understanding of how to design quality immersive experiences. It has made a world of difference in my own understanding of the XR space and how to design for it. But don't just take my word for it. Microsoft's mixed reality group recently posted a job opening for a senior designer in their new internal studio called Vortex. This team is working to explore and help redefine the future of mixed reality. One of the required qualifications they have listed is deep knowledge of current entertainment landscape, including film, television, and games. And here again, this is direct from Microsoft, not just me. You have permission to study and play video games to further your career in extended reality. It doesn't get much better than that, folks. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and Twitch stream and join us as we study video games and virtual reality experiences together.